That is our expectation.
The College of Agricultural Kyrdemkulai Central Agriculture University Imphal, in collaboration with Society for Biotic and Environmental Research Tripura, today inaugurated the 4th Biotic Science Congress and International Conference. Addressing as chief guest, Dr. Gautam Saha, Vice Chancellor of BCKV, emphasized on the climate variation in the Northeast region. The two-day event themed Climate Smart Farming Adoption, Impact and Implication for Sustainable Development aims to foster innovative ideas that will benefit both the scientific community and farmers, ultimately enhancing agricultural productivity.
Nanoparticles or cryopreserved.
My dear friends, this is not climate change. This is the climatic variation. Some courses are there in only undergraduate level. This is very essential to teach the postgraduate and PhD level. Just you see the situation, atmospheric situation of this Umiam region. Only one crop, single rice crop is there based on rainfall.